Good morning, guys. So we're still in Osaka. We were originally gonna go to Nagoya for a couple of days, but we ended up staying here the whole time so we can go hang out with Keanu and go drifting with him. So we need to switch our Airbnbs because the one that we're staying at doesn't have any more days open. We have a couple of hours to just hang out, so we're gonna head to Osaka Castle.
Good morning, guys. It is day number 5 or 6, or it's been a bunch of days already. We're gonna start the morning off at Osaka Castle, trying to get some cardio in for the day. And this will probably be one of the first cultural things we're gonna do here. So I'm super stoked, super excited because it's a castle that I like as well.
Mix これください。ありがとうございます。We're walking around outside the castle and then there's this ninja star throwing place and it's only 500 yen.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I should have waited.
Yeah, I should have waited to go on the way. Sorry.
Okay. Oh, this is harder than I thought.
Oh, 4 out of 5. ありがとうございます。Wow. Oh, you wanted to hear her without ninja star.
I'm supposed to wait. Oh, I got a thing.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, go Matthew. Ah. Go Kitty. Oh. Oh.
Good cherry.
I don't know. Okay, let me see. The matcha? Arigatou gozaimasu.
Okay, so I'm going to try it.
Okay. Good? We're at the mall right now. We're trying to find something to eat for dinner. Oh, this looks good too. Oh. I know, huh? We chose this restaurant, so we just got our food. This Kaylee's.
Oh, wait. Okay.
Oh, you forgot the smile face. This is mine, and here's Blaine's, and everything came out to 3,300 yen. This is the Ferris wheel that we saw from the freeway the other night. It's so huge. It's way too scary to go on this one though. Oh, what is this? Oh, is this the Subaru wagon? That's sick. But look at this thing. I love the little AC system. It connects from the front all the way to the back. And the circle headlights. It's crazy because it looks like this is painted on paint. Like you can see the actual brush strokes in it. This fan has the same front. I thought it looks like a custom front, but I guess they just have these. I don't really know too much about Subarus, but this one is super sick, and it even has a front lip. I wonder if it's a it's a Subaru lip. I don't know if they come like this, but it looks super sick. We just finished eating, but we came to Downtown Bury, so it's like our 4th night coming here. We came here like almost every night, but we're gonna try to do some shopping, so we're gonna walk around a little bit, but we're trying to figure out the car. So I guess this flap comes up, but for some reason it's going up and down. So Blaine's trying to figure it out, and we're waiting over here to see if it goes up. We've been on the hunt for shoes for Blaine for the last like 5 days, but nowhere carries size 12. They only go up to 11, so we're trying to see if we can find something today. Those? Oh, look at those, green and yellow. Those are nice too.
I like those.
They're super cheap.
Oh yeah, those are super cheap. We finally got shoes. It's been a journey.
No one has my size here.
No one carries size 12. Biggest was 9, 7.
I got a size 13 in the shoes that I needed, so I guess it was meant to be.
Oh. What?
Anime in real life.
Okay.
I just put the candy in there. You're just gonna hold this on. It's fine. Ready? These are the shoes that I got. That's cool. I think they're cool. Yeah.